Today, we're going to tackle the silent killers of your interior and how to DIY your ride like a pro. No detailing experience required. Let's get into it. So I want to start with the essentials in the bestie of the house. These are things that you're looking at every day. Your steering wheel, center console, screen protector. And I think like interior cleaners and glassing cleaners are the perfect thing, especially when they can fit into your cup holder. You just get it out really easy and you can spray. One thing that I love about our interior cleaners are that they're biodegradable, non-toxic, no ammonia. I think that's very important when you're in a small space and you're spraying something in your car. You want to make sure that you're not going to get sick from it. They seem to be used on electronics, just super easy. Our microfibers are perfect for this. And all that dust is gone. We can try it on our center console as well. It's a little dusty. This employee keeps his car relatively clean versus other cars that we will be featuring later. And all that dust is gone. I think that having an interior cleaner or just any cleaner in general, when you're going to be spraying in your car, it's very important to make sure that it's safe. And that's why I recommend this one. Whenever you're buying, just make sure that you're looking at the ingredients that are inside of it. And then we also have our glass cleaner. As you can see on this screen protector, also really dusty, a lot of fingerprints. One thing about glass cleaners, however, is, or just cleaners in general, if it's electric or electronic, you don't want to spray right onto the surface. So you want to make sure you spray on your microfiber and then you clean it. And it's as simple as just a wipe down and roll. Oh, I was just told that I'm supposed to put it on screen clean mode. So let me do that. See, now you can see. Almost done. Boom, that's done. That took no time at all. These cleaners are really good for, or safe for everything in the car. They're safe for the seat covers or the seats up here, these visors. They're also safe for pets and children. Also safe around pets and children. It's just nice to have as daily maintenance so you're not going a year down the road and you're like, oh shoot, I gotta clean my car. You got them here, just do it. The thing that I want to kind of tackle or talk about is the UV rays that come down on your car. You might not think about it. This steering wheel looks perfect. She's great. We're going to look at another one in a minute that is not so great. If you're parked in the sun often, it can start deteriorating the material on your steering wheel. Mainly, that's the one that I see most often. I'm pretty sure we have a video or a photo of my Model Y steering wheel, just a hole in it. Like it was just completely gone, and that is what not to do. And so to prevent that, we recommend sunshades or leather shield is a great option as well, or just a cover for your steering wheel. Ceramic tinting is also an option, a little bit more expensive, but it is a great option if you just want to put it on, leave it, forget it. We can step outside and I can show you what it looks like. Can you see inside? No, you can't. This really protects the vegan leather, protects it from deteriorating. It also keeps your car cool, perfect for the summer. This is a great option as well. And I do kind of want to show you the steering wheel, so let's go look at it. This is what deterioration looks like. We need to get you a cover. So the next thing that I want to show are floor mats. They are perfect for everything. Honestly, I recommend everyone getting floor mats. The carpet, as you can see, it just holds a lot of dirt, a lot of just random stuff. Super hard to get out if you let it bake in there. So the alternative is to just get a floor mat. Really good for when it's raining, muddy, you're going to the beach, just take it out, shake it. I recommend this even if it's just like a daily use car, if it's a road trip car, all around, I think that they are the perfect upgrade. So we're gonna wrap it up with some interior wraps that help you protect and customize your ride. Let's head back inside. So you already got a sneak peek at our interior wraps, but I really wanted to highlight them because they do help protect the surfaces in here, and they look pretty sick to me. So this one is decked out with black carbon fiber on all surfaces. We have the center console, got the dashboard. This is a custom upgrade as well. We have the door switches And my favorite is the steering wheel. In my Model Y, I always had the steering wheel wrapped, even if everything else wasn't. And I love black carbon fiber. I think this looks sick. All around, I love that he went with the choice to wrap everything in it, but you can mix and match. Most of these surfaces are things that you are touching every day to get in and out, to drive, to put things in places. So I can't reiterate enough that like these also protect your surfaces and your interior from getting damaged, getting scratches, anything like that. This is the perfect option if you don't want to go with protection film. This is great as well. And speaking of protection film is a great option for every Tesla owner, no matter what model you have. The ones that I would recommend, if this is your first time getting into paint protection film, I think the glove box is a must need, especially if you have passengers always in your car. On top of that, I would recommend the door kickers. I have seen so many people getting out of my Model Y just kicking the door open. It doesn't infuriate me, but it's definitely an annoyance, and I think that the paint protection film PPF on there is perfect. It puts my mind at ease. I'm not worried about it getting scratched. As well as the door sill. The door sill and the door sill area, it's where you're getting into the car. A lot of people are stepping on that part. That especially can get scratched. That one I would highly recommend. If you got anything, I would honestly recommend that one first. I think that is very important to protecting the value of your Tesla. I know I briefly mentioned it when I was cleaning the screen, but the screen protector I think is the number one accessory you should be getting. You're constantly touching it. I got rings on, fingers, nails, anything can scratch your screen. So I think that if you're going to get anything, it should be this first. All these products are not going to be for everyone, and that's completely fine. I just wanted to highlight what I think would help make your weekly maintenance easier. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Let us know what you thought in the comments, and we will see you next time.